Welcome to my channel, Trader's Beauty. Guys, how you are doing today? Hope your day was splendid, just like mine. Hope your day was beautiful. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be able to receive more updates from me anytime I upload a video. Today guys, I will be showing you how you can make your own avocado oil from avocado skin and the seed. First, we all know the usefulness of avocado. Avocado comes with a lot of benefits. This oil can be added into your diet by the means of cooking. This benefit on our body is so great guys, and avocado is filled with vitamin B and vitamin E, which makes our hair to look more shinier and easy to style. It helps to fight hair loss and can also be used as a leave-in condition on your hair. Avocado too also replenishes dry skin. It helps to restore and balance your skin, which makes your skin to glow. But first guys, avocado is very safe to use guys. But if you are allergic to avocado, it's advisable for you to consult your doctor first before using it on your skin and on your hair. Okay guys, now let's continue. We'll be needing our blender, okay, and what we'll do next, you have to, like this one that is still very fresh, I will be keeping them separate. I will not be blending them along with the dry ones. I will be keeping this separate. For these dry ones, these are already dried. You can see how it looks. Okay, what I will be doing now is breaking them a little and adding them into my blender. Now guys, I will be adding 1 cup of coconut oil to it. Can't do without olive oil guys. In anything I do or I prepare, I always have olive oil to it. So what I will be doing, I will be adding just only 1/2 cup of olive oil. I use these as my measurements, that's all. After 30 minutes, this is how the oil looks. Okay, what I will be doing next, I will be leaving this overnight. Okay, you can leave this for 24 hours, but I'll be leaving it overnight. They will come back and check how it looks guys. Okay guys, You can see this how it tastes the next day. Looks so green. What I will be doing next is I will be filtering the oil out from it. Okay, so I will be needing my filter, this. Okay, okay guys, this is the leftover. I will not be throwing this away because I will still be using this as an hairspray. Stay tuned so that you'll be able to see my video anytime I upload. Okay, now this is our avocado oil, guys. This is it. So green, so green. So what I'll be doing next, I will be putting this into a container. Okay, the remaining will be put it here. So you can see the way it looks. Okay, this is our own avocado oil, guys. This is very nice on your skin, okay, on your hair, and on your diet too. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Love you guys.